Hey there, JV Partners, Joel here. I'm going to keep this very direct and as short as possible. All of you are using ad-free video streaming services. And you may not know, but over the past couple of years, we've had our own video streaming service, and it's grown in leaps and bounds, and we never really offered it to the general public. It was always on the back end on some of our other tools. So we're creating our own affiliate program with VIDUBER.com. What makes this very, very unique is if you look at our competition right now, like Vimeo, their compensation in their affiliate program is a ridiculously low 3%. Then I went looking for Wistia, and Wistia doesn't have an affiliate program at all. So here in San Antonio, Texas, is where our data center is, and we have access to literally unlimited amounts of bandwidth and unlimited amounts of hardware resources like storage space and unlimited video views. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pay you up to 60% residual income month after month after month. 3% versus 60%, no brainer, right? Not just that, if you look again, their cookie is for 14 days. If you get somebody to sign up even for a free trial, that person, after they sign up for a free trial, is locked to you for a lifetime. So even if somebody checks us out today and they stay a free member for a month and they upgrade, it's your sale. Not just that, we have other products and services through the one-time offer process that you'll get paid on a lifetime for as well. So look, read the rest of this webpage. If you have any questions at all, reach out to us on the form on this page. We look forward to working with you and paying you for a lifetime on a service that just about every marketer online is using and needing at a price that's 1/10 the competition.